Hey folks, Dominoes 7 here. I'm about to give my friend Bobby a call. Put this on speaker so y'all can hear. Well, I don't know if y'all can hear it ring. Okay.
Hey, what's up?
Hey Bobby.
Yeah?
How's everything with you?
Well, everything's going okay.
Okay. So, everything's alright with you?
Yeah.
Oh, Bobby, I want to tell you, yesterday, there was a brawl around here.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, so let me tell you this. It was two girls fighting each other, arguing and cursing and everything, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so anyway, what I want to tell you, though, I mean, so much was going on around here, it was pathetic.
Yeah.
And you know what? I want to tell you though. I mean, I don't know which one of those two started it at first, you know. But but technically, I didn't know it was over a man.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So so I didn't know it was over a man, you know.
Yeah.
So and check this out. I mean, huh?
Yeah, I said,
Okay. So anyway, it escalated so bad, I thought that the other girl started it, you know?
Mm-hmm.
But anyway, let me tell you, a girl spit at the other girl.
Yeah.
Yeah, she spit at her, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, but let me tell you something. You ever watched Flavor of Love before?
Yeah.
And you know, Pumpkin spit in New York face.
Wow.
I know you remember that, huh?
Yeah.
You remember that?
Yeah, I think so, yeah.
And not only that, on the show, you know, Taylor Man spit in Mr. Wise's face, and Brandy C spit on Destiny.
Mm-hmm.
First of all, that girl at first, I say she on the same page as Pumpkin.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, she on the same page as Pumpkin, Taylor Man, and Brandy C.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, technically, spitting on somebody is the most degrading thing you can ever do.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so I must say though, spitting on people, bro, that's the most degrading thing you could ever do to somebody, you know. Yeah, so on that note, bro, she was wrong for that though. I mean that. Yeah, but she was wrong, and this girl, I ain't gonna mention her name while I'm recording though, cause she might watch my show and start mess, you know.
Yeah.
And not only that, not only she'll put it on me, she'll put it on the Domino 7 show, you know, blame it on the Domino 7 show, you know.
Yeah.
Cause you know I'm not gonna lose my studio, my house, and my show for nobody, you know. Because let me tell you, bro, if I lose my house, I lose my show, you know.
Yeah.
I lose my social media and all that, you know, cause I'm not gonna lose my social media, my show for nobody, you know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
Yep. I mean, check this out. The girl husband cheated on her for this girl she had a fight with,
Mm-hmm.
and she fucking mad about that, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So anyway, if he cheating on her, leave the bastard alone.
Mm-hmm.
Now she wanna get mad at that girl. It wasn't that girl's fault.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, some females are stupid, you know.
Yeah.
Especially this nutcase. Well, if she watching this right now, huh? She come over here, she and start with me. She going to jail, you know.
Mm-hmm.
And let me tell you something, man. That girl been driving around here looking for that girl too.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, looking for that girl, harassing. You know. Oh, let me tell you this. She gonna go to jail driving around here looking for that girl. You know. Because let me tell you something. She harassing her. You know. That's harassment, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's right. And you know what, folks? Hold on. You know what, folks? Driving around people's house, trying to fight somebody, that's called being messy. You know what I'm saying? You don't go around people trying to start mess. That's called harassment, and that's called stalking. Ain't that right, Bobby?
Right.
Okay, I was just telling the viewers that, you know. That's if any viewers, because there's one viewer that comment on my videos when I talk about Jeopardy, you know. You know what? You've been missing Jeopardy. James Holzhauer won 32 games.
Wow.
Oh, 32. Almost overtook Ken Jennings total. Oh, Ken Jennings would have been crying. I think Ken Jennings would have tore his hair out. Yeah. So anyway, as I was saying about this girl, I'm not gonna mention her name. I'm not gonna mention her nickname either, because she probably gonna be watching this. Yeah. You know, spitting on somebody, that's assault. You know.
Yeah.
The girl that spit at her, let me tell you this. She beat her and knocked her on the damn ground. Talking about that's why her man slept with her, blah 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 and all that, you know. I want to tell you, some of these females are suckers for these men, you know. These punk boys, yeah, some of them say fuck boys, you know. You know what I mean? Hello?
Yeah, I'm here.
All right, so anyway, they call them fuck boys for some reason, you know. So I must say, she was wrong for that. Good coming around and all of that. She don't even live around here, you know. That so and so don't even live around here, and she started mess, you know. And let me tell you something, Bobby. A real friend do not go around their friends' houses, start mess, and try to risk them getting evicted, you know. Yeah, but I know if anybody come around your house, start mess, and try to get you in trouble, would you be their friend again?
No.
There you go. You know, folks, I don't know if y'all can hear me talking to Bobby or not. This phone ain't loud enough, but just in case, we gonna rewind the tape and see, yeah. So, are you ready for Mecca-Con?
Sure, yeah.
Oh yeah, so you know, it said it cost $60 to get in.
Oh man.
For the weekend. For the whole weekend, I'm saying, you know. But I don't know how much it costs on Saturday, but I'm gonna go on the first date.
Okay.
I don't know if Kristen gonna be there or not, you know, on the first date. She don't always be there on the first date. And you know what, Bobby? You have a chance to meet Brett.
Yeah.
Yeah, her current boyfriend, you know. Yeah. So let's hope Kristen is watching. So if Kristen watching this video right now, what you'll tell her?
I don't know.
Can you say hi to her just in case she watching?
Hi, Kristen.
Okay. And you want to speak to Allie too?
Hi, Allie.
Oh, that's Bobby say hi, and all of that. I don't know if they're listening or not. I hope they both is listening. Yes, indeed. We're gonna have fun, huh? But Randy gonna go to Comic-Con with his stupid butt. Yeah, what a jerk. That bastard is a jerk, Randy. Yeah, cause he said, man, I don't have no money. Would you pay for me to get in? Well, I would love to pay for him to get in, you know. That'll be good, you know. Hey, Bobby, do you have Street Fighter?
Yeah.
Oh. What Street Fighter do you have?
I got the Street Fighter 3 Anniversary Collection on PS4.
Oh, I was planning on buying that for you. You got Sonic?
Yeah.
Which Sonic?
I got the Genesis, Sonic Genesis collection on PS4.
Sonic Genesis collection. Good for you, sir. We have a winner. Hey, yes, Bobby, you are a winner. Yeah, I'm proud of you for that. We have a winner. You don't have Sonic Mania?
No.
Or you don't? Would you like to have that one day?
Maybe.
Okay. All right, because what you did for me, I would like to do for you too.
Sure.
Gave me all your CDs, your games and stuff like that and all that. Man, I would like to return that favor for you.
Sure.
Yeah, cause you know if I do this, God will bless me. You know. Yeah, man. So I appreciate what you did for me, man. Yeah, but anyway, my birthday's on a Friday. I'm about to check my calendar and see. Let me see. My birthday is Friday the 13th. Ain't that something? My first birthday was on Friday the 13th. Well, my mama thought she had me on Friday the 13th. She had me Thursday the 13th. I've done my research. You know, it was Thursday, September the 13th, 1984. I've done the research. I typed up the calendar. Oh yeah, I meant to say I googled the calendar for that year, for 1984. Yep. Oh. You know what? I want to tell you, the lady that played on the Three Stooges, she passed away before I was born.
Yeah.
Christina McIntyre. I know you never heard of her.
No.
All right, let me tell you, her husband died the same year.
Wow.
But let me tell you, when she was grieving over her husband, all that grieving worsened her sickness.
Yeah.
Yeah. It worsened her sickness, and then, yeah, it worsened her sickness, and then she wound up passing away months later. I guess she wanted to join her husband.
Wow.
Yeah, that's sad, bro. Yeah. So, I mean, I want to tell you though. Speaking of Christina McIntyre, I enjoyed her being on the Three Stooges and on them short subjects, you know. Yeah, like the glove slingers. You never heard of the glove slingers? The slingers, I already know.
No.
Oh, can you get YouTube on your PS4?
Sure. Yeah.
Oh, so well, I can't come to you. I was way in Covington.
Yeah, I understand.
Yeah, but I want you to move a little closer, even though it is in Harahan.
Yeah.
Either Harahan, Metairie, or Kenner. I can come in Kenner.
Yeah.
I just wish y'all would have stood in Harahan somewhere, you know. The way I think about it, Bobby, if your parents would have still been living in that house, y'all would have never lost that house, you know.
Right.
Y'all would have y'all would still at that house, you know.
Mhm.
I thought your parents wasn't coming back.
Yeah.
You thought that too?
Yeah.
Well, I gotta keep it real with you. I am so glad they back, you know.
Yeah.
So let's hope and pray that you can move closer, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah. So next time Philip come visit, I'm gonna try to move closer, you know, so I can come there on the bus.
Yeah.
Yeah, cause you know me, I love catching a bus. Yep. Yeah. So, all right. So, hold on, Bobby. All right. All right. So, hold on. All right, folks. I'm gonna finish talking to Bobby. So, thank y'all for watching, folks.